Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app. First, you need to click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then you can go to your account. Now you can find the settings icon in the top right corner. So tap on that. Scroll down a bit and next you need to go to this memories option in here. Then tick on this start backup option in here. After that, you can see this save button option under the save destination. So click on that. Finally, you need to select this memories and camera roll option in here. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.